Hi guys, I thought I would do two narrations for you, one on the Global Health Project, but I also wanted to explain the midterm exam, which isn't really an exam, it's more of an assignment and a paper. So here is the description of what you are to do. One of the things that I added for you were some headings. And so after you read the mini case study here, take a look at the nurse case manager role. So a nurse case manager, if you're not familiar, just give you a quick little introduction here, is someone who has several patient profiles or cases that they oversee. They sometimes will go and do the visits to people in the community. However, it's more likely that they have visit nurses that will make those types of visits. So if you're not familiar with it, there are explanations in the Stanhope and Lancaster book for you. So answer those questions there. There's a 250 to 300 word limit on that, or should I say expectation. The next section is reflection on the larger issues. So what are the larger global health and local health, social justice issues at play? And what is the nurse's role? Kind of more nursing in general, not the case manager, but in addressing them. So when we say here, what are the issues? Think about social justice, intersectionality, global health. We're dealing with TB here. We're also looking at health as a human right, and then some social determinants of health. I actually think the social ecological model would play in here too. Scrolling down, I've tried to create a carefully laid out rubric for you. There are different ways to meet this, and I want you just to follow that, and then there's 15 points, but this is a larger percentage of your grade, so hopefully that works for you in understanding that. Okay, just wanted to do that briefly. This is what I would have done prior to us actually doing it in class. Okay, thanks. Bye.